thundery weather, I think, for most of us in the next few days, and that's always a problem as far as we're concerned, because you get the situation where one place gets a real downpour and then just half a mile up the road it stays dry. But I think, generally speaking, sometime rather, I think most of us are going to get these heavy showers and thunderstorms. It's due to this area of low pressure, this front that's slipping up from the south, bringing in much warmer and more humid air, and then eventually later on in the week we're going to find another change as that front sweeps across from the west and changes everything back again to cooler, fresher conditions after those thundery showers. Now, to the south of us, we've seen quite a lot of cloud developing during the day. It's been coming and going, but the main thing is that it is now drifting up towards us, and much of this cloud, the thick dark lumps, are those heavy showers and thunderstorms. In fact, we can have a closer look at it. We had some outbreaks of rain across the more central and the southern parts of the country first thing. That's now worked its way up to the north, but now already we're finding these storms, one coming up towards the Isle of Wight, for instance, on the latest picture. And these showers, thunderstorms, outbreaks of thundery rain, call them what you like, are going to continue to ease northwards across much of England and Wales during the course of the night, and then eventually later on somewhat clearer weather following into those more central and southern areas. We're also going to find another area of rain getting its act together and moving northwards through much of Scotland, and some fairly heavy and persistent rain there. Many places also ending up quite grey and misty, especially along the east coast of Scotland there, and in central and southern parts as the thundery rain moves away, so some patches of fog and mist developing. Quite a sticky night too in the south, somewhat cooler further north. Then tomorrow starts off for much of England and Wales grey, misty and murky, still those outbreaks of thundery rain in northern parts. That will move away, the skies will brighten, the sun will come through, but as that happens, again we're going to find a fair number of heavy and thundery showers breaking out. Northern Ireland, probably a dry and fairly bright day, the outbreaks of rain easing northwards away from southern Scotland, so there too some brighter conditions later on, but one or two showers. The central and northern parts of Scotland, though, staying quite cool and dull, warm and sticky though further south, and more or less a repeat performance on Sunday. After a misty start, those thundery showers easing northwards across much of the country.